Hey YouTube, what's up? Back with another car video. In today's video I'm going to be doing the rear spacers. As you can see, I've done the fronts. You can see them there. It actually looks really good. Kind of pokes a bit, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to stick out, I just wanted it to be flush, because before it was an inch in. It was way too much. Look at that. So I got these spacers here. They're an inch hub centric off eBay. It's the best you can do right there. But the only thing is, I'll show you guys in a minute, but the nut pokes out past this, so I have to cut the nut down. Just cracked them, lifted it up. I'm just gonna take these lug nuts off. Rainbow oil slick. I'm just gonna test fit first before I actually throw them on, because I have to go to another job today. I don't want it to be rubbing the whole time. So we'll take these off. I need some power tools, eh? Get the old gun out, drill. My wrist is getting stronger now. Getting better. I got another appointment Wednesday for it. Okay, so now that I can show you, so here's the spacer, hub centric nation. Fits on there like a charm, and the hub. I'm just gonna see how it fits. Can't put any lugs on it, so this might be stupid, but let's see. Okay, so that looks like the fitment. It's not tight, because I'll show you why in a sec. But it does poke out a bit, tiny bit. I don't think it'll be able to clear without rolling the fenders. So I'll push it. So that's where it'll be. It might fit, I don't think so. So I just screwed the nut for the spacer on. And I'll show you. It doesn't go in deep enough. Get this thing on. Oh, we're having technical difficulties here. Oh. Wrong bolt pattern. Oh. There we go. Okay. So you can see that lug nut's not flush. And I have these multi-car rims, or whatever you want to call them, multi-pattern. So, see how it hits? It doesn't sit flush, right? So what I did to make it sit flush is I cut the ends off, just enough that it's flush, so that these front ones are mint condition, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna have to do that for the back. It's super annoying. I have a hacksaw. It's like my best tool right now, the old hacksaw. Just go nuts with it. Cut all 10. But I think I'm just gonna do the one today, because I doubt it'll fit properly. So I just cut the 3 for now. So now, as you can see, they're flush. So it's not gonna, this one's tilted, but there you go. So it's not gonna be hitting the back of my rim anymore. So I'm gonna throw it on just to test right now. Okay, and the studs are flush as well, they don't hit So I'm gonna go ahead now, see how she looks on the ground once I get this guy on. See if I know what I'm doing now. There we go. So it's sitting flush, which is good. Just with the 3 inside lug nuts on, just to test. I'm gonna be taking it off and then I'm gonna cut them all, and then I'm gonna see if I have to roll the fendies or not. We'll see. Let's get all this on. I swear it needs power tools. It's gonna take me an hour. And the way I cut them down, like if you guys are wondering how I got them to cut down enough to be flush instead of like just guessing, it says the size of the lug nut on it. So right where it says the size of the lug nut, I would cut that like in half. So on every single lug nut, it says whatever it is. What is it? Like 12 millimeter or whatever, 12 by 1.5. So I would just cut the 12 by 1.5 little in half, and that's where it's flush. So that's a little tip if you guys need to do this. But usually if you have like the proper rims, they're hollowed out on the inside so you won't have to cut them. But mine are whack. Okay, so we almost got it now. I'm just gonna give him a little, I'm just sitting it down, I'm not gonna be driving it. So I'm just gonna give him a little bit of just a little bit, just to keep it from falling off. Okay, so that should be good, just to test. All right, drop it down with the inch spacers. Okay, it's definitely gonna rub. And I know you guys think it's not right now, but it's gonna settle lower. I'll see if this side's low, but it settles over top. Yeah, like this side. So this is what it's gonna be like. It's gonna be over. The rim's gonna be on, if the wheel is gonna be under. So this one isn't settled yet. Look at that camber gang though. Bit of camber going. It looks good, but it's not gonna stay that way, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to roll these. Like that's definitely gonna hit. But the look looks way better when they're out. Either that or I camber them in. But the only thing is I do have the rear camber arms. You can see the right there, let me get a visual. See that thing with the holes there? The back? That's my camber arm, but I've tried to camber them in. And it's like stiff, like super stuck. Like rust. I don't know if it's rust. Assume it is. I tried to get them off and adjust the camber before. So that's gonna be my last option if I can't roll these, because they're pretty thick under here. I can camber it in all the way as well, but don't know if I want to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it back to stock. That's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna put it back to stock for now, and then I'll update you guys what I decide to do. Roll it or camber it. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch me on the next episode.